So hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss about examples. Okay. So we have already discussed while, do while, and for loop. Okay. So might be that you would not have any problem to understand because you have already explained clearly. Okay. So I thought, okay, let's use an example and implement that logic using using all three loops. Okay, means while, do while, and for loop. Okay, so want to print. We want to write the logic for uh, table of two. Okay, so how to print table of two? Okay, so write the logic here. Suppose first we are using for loop. Okay, here. So here number is equal to 0. Okay, and number less than 10, number plus plus. Okay, so this will increase. Okay, 3 4 5. Okay, so here cross 2. Okay, so what will happen? So number is equal to 0. Okay, so we need to 0. Okay, so what will happen? It will 1. Okay, then condition will check 1 less than 10. Yes, 1 less than 10. So it will to crush 1 to print. Okay, then number will check, number will be incremented, number will be 2. Okay, 2 less than 10. Yes, 2 cross 2. So that types of this logic will be print. Okay, let's print. You can see here 2 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 2 10 is 20. So using for loop. Okay, using for loop to table of 2. Okay, and then let's we use while loop. Do condition. Okay, condition, and let number is equal to 0 and sorry, number 1 na. I do not want to print 0. console console.log. Okay, number cross 2. Okay, here while number less than equal to 10, number will be increased. Okay, we are using do while loop. Okay. I miss. Okay, I miss. Okay, no problem. Okay, I miss na. That is the scope. Here we need to declare. Okay, so now you can see here table of 2 will be printed 2 4 6 8 12. So that is the that is using do while to print table of 2. Okay, and now we want to print using while loop. Okay, so let number is equal to 1 and then while while. Okay, number less than equal to 10 okay, and then console console.log okay, number cross 2 okay. So let's clear this, and using while okay, we are printing the table of 2. So you can see okay. So why that we are getting, we have not used increment operator, so condition is in okay. Now it will execute and it will print 2468. So you have used a three loops, all three loops for loop. This is the for loop to print the table of 2. This is the while loop to print the table of 2, do while loop, and this is the while loop that we can use to print the table of 2. Okay, so now can you I might be that you would have clear now. So you can write the table of 3 okay, and what do you need to make a changes, where do we need to make a changes okay. So you can write the uh, table of, you can write the logic to print the table of 3 okay, and you can comment that code inside the comment box okay. So we will check okay how many people is able to create the logic to print the table of 3 okay. 3 का टेबल मतलब देखते हैं कैसे, क्या इस लॉजिक में डू वाइल में या फॉर लूप में या while में what do you need to make, where do you need to make a changes to print the table of to table of 3 okay, 3 table okay. So that's all okay. And also we can use for loop okay, without expression 1 and expression 3 you can use like for, and only we need to add condition here okay. Only we need to add conditions condition okay. And we not we cannot add any third expression or first expression. So that for loop is also will work okay, but condition is mandatory okay, means second expression will be mandatory. If you are not using a second operator inside the second expression, so that for loop is not execute okay. So we will discuss, you can means we can write the for, we can use the for loop like that okay, without expression 1 and expression 3 we need only expression 2, expression 1 expression 2. What is expression 2? Expression 2 is the condition okay. So that is the for loop, while loop, do while loop okay. So if you have any questions, so you can ask, you can add in the comment box okay. But you can definitely add, you need to add in the comment box to write the table of 3, what do you need to make a changes in a while or a do while or while loop, for loop okay, using for loop what do you need to make, you can, if you have ideas so you can add separate logic okay, and you can comment in the comment box. So that I thought okay, I will see that okay how many people is able to understand okay what I explain okay. So that's all, thank you so much.